Hi there, Mike from Greenway. Well, today I wanted to show you how to use the LeafSpy app. If you have a Nissan Leaf or you're considering buying one, the Nissan LeafSpy app can give you a lot of information about the battery health and other statistics on the car. So come with me and I'll show you how to use the LeafSpy app. Okay, so the first thing you need when you're using LeafSpy is a OBD2 connection to the car. And I have this thing called an OBD Link MX. There's many of these different Bluetooth adapters, and what it does is it plugs into your, we call it the OBD2 port or onboard diagnostics port in your car. This is what it looks like on a connector side, and different versions of this adapter. There's one called ELM 327, there's OBD Link. There's different versions of this. This one's a Bluetooth one. You can get Wi-Fi ones as well. And what this will do is allow you to download an app on your phone or your tablet and connect to this connector, which then is plugged into your car, which will connect to the car's computer. So that's the first step. Is you need to go online and find yourself an adapter. There's several that are compatible, but I found that this one is very good. There's a few different versions of this one as well. This one's on the more expensive side. You can buy $15 and $20 adapters and they'll work, but they may work a bit slower or they may be having some compatibility issues. This one for sure works. I know I've been using this one for years, and so this is a good one to choose. So I'll leave a link down below for this one. But what you do with it then is once you're here in the car, under your dashboard is where you need to be plugging it in. So I'll show you where that is. Okay, so you need to be going under your dashboard and take a look up here. This is right by your brake pedal, and you can see that there is a connector there that you'll need to plug in your adapter to. Okay, here we go. So you can see the adapter is now plugged in. That's step one. And now step two is to get the LeafSpy app on your tablet or phone. Okay, so you need to have your tablet or device with you here, and then you need to first, if you have a Bluetooth adapter that you plugged into your dash, of course you need to go into your Bluetooth settings and set it up. This is a very old Samsung phone, so it's probably not relevant for today, but if you've set up any other Bluetooth device, it's the same thing. You can find it, the adapter, connect to it with your tablet or phone. And then the next step is you need to go to online to the Apple Store or to the Android Play Store and download the app. Now this particular app here, this is what it looks like, LeafSpy Pro. There was an old version, LeafSpy Lite. I don't think it's available anymore as far as I know. So I don't think you can download that one. So LeafSpy Pro is the one you'd be searching for. And so you again download that app onto your phone just like any other app that you use with your device, and then click on it, and once it's loaded up, then it's going to connect to the Bluetooth that is connected to your car. Okay, once it says connected here, then that means you are connected to the car. So this is good news. Now there's a few different menus you can go through here. You'll have to sort of scroll through it and see what are the different things that are available to you, but you can use the arrows here on either side of the screen here or here, and it's going to give you all kinds of information on the stats of the battery and all that. So I'll have to have a separate video to describe this, but this is how you get connected to LeafSpy on your Nissan Leaf.